very proud of to be the first truck dealership here at Pakenham, supporting the local community, providing employment opportunities, and also providing the service for our customers. I'm John Elliot, I'm the General Manager of Patterson Cheney Trucks. I look after the Keysborough side and also our new package. Once we're fully operational, we'll have approximately 45 staff. It's a 12,000 square metre site with workshops around 1,500 square metres, 12 service bays.
Well, I'm Lester Sharples, one of the directors at Levanta Workshop Solutions. At Levanta, we like to form long-term partnerships with our clients, and the Patterson Cheney Group are one good example of this. We've done a lot of work for the Patterson Cheney Group, and now has completed this turnkey fit-out here in Pakenham with Patterson Cheney Trucks. We've installed two 26-metre pits, a complete turnkey workshop fit-out, oil delivery system, roller brake tester, truck hoists, jacks, wheel trolleys. And it's been great to partner with Patterson Cheney to partner with them further into the future.
We want to be close to where our customers are, and we can't our customers just always drive to us. So that was one of the driving factors behind this was, what's good for our customers. The whole Pakenham area is expanding rapidly. We're going to be a part of that growth. So I want to extend a special thank you to Rook Constructions. So they were responsible for converting some scribbles on an A4 piece of paper, some drawings that the dealership you see before you today. Then also a special thank you to Levanta and the team who did our workshop fit out, sensational fit out. Sure it'll keep us a good regard for the future.
If you want to learn more about our products and services, visit our website at levanta.com.au.